We are continuing with the volumes and surface areas of cylinders. Here the question is, find the height of a solid circular cylinder having total surface area of 660 centimeter square and radius 5 centimeter. So we have to find the height. Height is something that we have to find. And what is given to us? Total surface area is 660 centimeter square. How do we write the total surface area? What is the formula for that? We know it is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, the areas of two circles which are at the top and the bottom. Total surface area is 660. Here you can take 2 pi common, r also, and inside you have h plus r, right? Now you have 2 into 22 by 7. You will replace the value of pi and r is given 5 centimeters. So let's replace the value of r here. Then we have to find only h. Simple. So 660 into 7. These 3 will go in the denominator. 2 into 22 into 5 is equal to h plus 5. Right? So 11 6 are 11 2s are 2 30s are 5 6 are 2 3s are 3 into 7 is 21 is equal to h plus 5, right? So what is your h now? 21 minus 5. So your h is equal to 16 centimeters, right? Okay. Now the next sum. In this sum, you have to find the total surface area of a hollow cylinder open at both the ends, right? If its length is 12 centimeter, length means its height is 12 centimeter, external diameter is 8 centimeter and the thickness is 2 centimeter, right? Now, if you look at this cylinder will look like this. You see, it is open at both the ends, right? Open at both the ends, and length means this length. It means the height of this cylinder. And the thickness means this thickness is how much? 2 centimeters. And external diameter is this, which is how much? 8 centimeters, right? And we have to find the surface area of this. Now surface area is something which you can touch. Now I can touch the external surface area, right? I can also touch the internal surface area, right? And I can touch this part, right? So what is this part? This part is the area of the two concentric circles, right? One is this inside circle and one is this outside circle. And here also at the another end, I can touch this part, right? So there are two areas of concentric circles here. So let's make the formula here first. We'll create the formula for this. What will be my formula for this? My formula will be, one will be this external surface area, and I know that I'll write the formula here, 2 pi r h, because this external will be having the radius as capital R, plus internal which I can touch inside, right? Plus 2 pi r h. Along with that, these two areas, concentric circles, areas, how do I find the area of the concentric circles? It is pi r square minus r square, and then this part also, bottom part, this was the top part, right? So plus pi r square minus r square. This is what I have to calculate, total surface area of this cylinder. So for this, what do I require? I require H, I require capital R, and I require the small r, right? Now let me see what all is given. Length, that means height is given. How much? 12 centimeters. External diameter is given 8 centimeter. From that I can calculate the external radius, that is 4 centimeter, because I know that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Thickness is given. So thickness is given 2 centimeter. So how will I use this thickness? I can calculate the small r using this thickness. I know that thickness is to be calculated as capital R minus small r. So 2 is equal to 4 minus r. So r is equal to 2 centimeters. Now you got all the data. You have r, small r, you have big R, and you have this h. Right? Let's substitute. First, let's write this formula in a proper order. This will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH plus, isn't this 2 pi into r square minus r square? Two quantities, so I have combined them. Now, can I take anything common here? Yes, 2 pi I can take common. So I am left with r. You can directly substitute the values, or you can even take common and then do that. Plus RH plus r square minus r square. So I have taken common, so as to not to repeat the value, to save the repetition, I have taken this as common. Now 2 into 22 by 7. What is my r? 4. What is my h? 12. What is my small r? 2. What is my h? 12. Plus r square is 16 minus 4. Right? So do not multiply it till the end, as I have already told you that things will get cancelled. 40, you should wait till the end. 24 plus 16 minus 4 is 12. So your 22 by 7 into 48, 8 and 4, 12, 12 and 2 is 4, 3, 4, 4 and 4 is 8, 7, 1s are 7, 7, 1s are 7, 2s are 14. So your area for this will be 44 into 12. So that is 8 into 4, 4, that is 8 to 528. So 528 centimeter square.